Okay. I'm trying to get a video of it.
Are you recording us?
No, the puppy. Yeah, I want to see if I can
Look
get
how
a.
beautiful it is.
Yeah. Oh wow, it's getting up now. That's a good one.
Riley. He's a good boy.
Yeah.
It's very calm. Yeah, I like that.
Alright, I think that's enough now. And that was apparently a Siberian Husky named Riley.